Hello everyone, I came back today with a best strategy. This strategy just added in TradingView and you can scalp in 5-minute time frame and get more profit from your trade with this strategy. This strategy is very simple and it has 95% win rate. So before to start video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So watch the video carefully until the end because I say a very important point about strategy during trading, and this important point increase your win rate up to 95%. So let's start the video. With this strategy you can make 5 to 6 trades per day. Step 1. Change candlesticks to Fibonacci chart. Click here and select Fibonacci. With Fibonacci chart we can find the chart trend easily. Step 2. Adding indicator in our chart. Click the indicator button in TradingView. Then search EMA. Then click to the moving average exponential to add in our chart. Then go to settings and change the length to 200 and change the color to white to see it easily. So let's add another indicator in our chart. So click the indicator button again to add another indicator in our chart and search stochastic RSI. Click on it to add in our chart. Then click the setting and change the setting like me. Step 1. If we are looking to take a buy trade, the market must be above the moving average. And if we're looking to take a short trade, the market must be below the moving average. For a long position, whenever the price closes above of the moving average, the next things to look at the stochastic RSI to go oversold. Then the blue line must cross the orange line. Then we take a long position and we consider risk reward to 2. As you can see, this trade is a take profit. Now the price closes above of the moving average and the stochastic RSI oversold. Then the blue line and orange line cross together. And then here we take a long position. Now the price closes above of the moving average and the stochastic RSI oversold. Then the blue line and orange line cross together. And then here we take a long position. For a sell trade, ever the price close below the 200 EMA and overboard the stochastic RSI and blue line cross the orange line, then we take a sell position here and consider risk reward to 2. Here you can see the price is below the 200 EMA and overboard from stochastic RSI. The blue line cross the orange line and we can take sell position here. So guys, if you have $10 and start the trade with this strategy, you can turn $10 up to $10,000 just in one month. So guys, please backtest from this strategy and start trading and get profit and enjoy from your trades. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you later in the next video. Goodbye.